For the past couple of weeks, I've been getting payments of $183, which I withdrew to my Bitcoin wallet, another $185.30, $518.22, which I withdrew also to my Bitcoin wallet, $347, $173, $256, which I withdrew. The red amount that you see being deducted over here is what's actually being withdrawn straight to my Bitcoin wallet, and the green is what's actually getting added to my account and what's still available to withdraw. Now I know that $180 or $500 or $300 a week isn't really the most amount of money, but these payments come in with hardly any effort. In fact, most of these came in on autopilot, as it only really took me anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes to set this up, and then it pretty much sees payments like this again and again, because I'm going to be showing you a couple of tools again that do a lot of the hard work for you. In today's video, I'm going to record my journey on exactly how I generated these payments online so that you can see all the insight that you need to learn exactly how to do the same thing and replicate payments to yourself just like this. Because if you've been following my YouTube channel for quite some time, you would know that my name is Jay from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, where I document my journey on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be focusing on this epic side hustle and bot that is going to be generating payments like this on autopilot. If you want to get a personal notification from me every time I post my latest way of making money online, make sure to go down below to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can do so. Today's video, we're going to be focusing on how you can generate money online like this while you're busy sleeping, while you're busy shopping, while you're busy working, or whatever you're doing in the day, and you can use all of the money that you generate from a strategy like this to reinvest into something more sustainable. If you want to spend extra money on food, entertainment, just save up some extra cash, you can really do whatever you want with this. With that being said, let's dive straight into the step-by-step tutorial. Alright guys, so the first platform that you actually need to sign up on in order to get paid from this strategy is PayPal.com. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can just come over straight to PayPal.com and sign up a completely free account, but I'm assuming most of you guys have a PayPal account already. Otherwise, alternatively, you can also sign up a Bitcoin wallet on a website like Coinbase.com. And the tool that I'm going to be showing you that's going to automate all of this for you is completely free as well. So like I said, I'm going to help you out by providing you this tool completely for free. It's not even my affiliate link. I'm not affiliated with it. You can come over straight to this website, which I'm going to talk about now and show you how to set up. Step number 2 is to come over to a website called cpagrip.com, which is a cost per action marketplace where you can go and get paid to refer giveaways, lucky draw competitions, any kind of email submit affiliate programs, and get paid a certain amount of money every time you refer someone to that. So for example, there are companies that have $100 or $500 PayPal giveaways via lucky draw, and if you refer someone to that giveaway and all they need to do is just sign up with their name and email address, you will get paid a small commission of between $1 and $2, which doesn't seem like much, but if it adds up to 50 to 100 people a day, that can be anywhere up to $100 to $200 a day. And remember, you're not selling anything with CPA marketing. You're giving people the free opportunity to win something for free. So you can go and click on register on the top right side of this website, or log in if you've already got an existing account. I'm going to sign in with my existing account and meet you on the dashboard. Once you've signed in with your CPA Grip account, come over to offer tools on the left-hand side, go and click on my offers. This is what all the offers are going to look like. For example, you can enter a competition to win a free $100 Walmart gift card. Now, every time you refer someone to this giveaway, you will get rewarded $1.37. And this might not seem like a lot of money, but remember, if you refer 100 people to this, that's $130. And it's pretty easy to refer 100 people to this, because who doesn't want a free chance to win a $100 Walmart gift card? It's the same for this PayPal gift card giveaway, another $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, another $750 PayPal gift card, $500 Target gift card, $500 Amazon gift card, 13,500 Fortnite V-Bucks, $500 PayPal gift card, $100 Google Play gift card, $750 Shane gift card. So there are gift cards for pretty much everything. And every time you refer someone to these giveaways, this is the amount of money that you will be earning. The easiest offer to promote with the strategy, and the one that I promote the most, is grab a $750 PayPal gift card. So go and click on this offer and you'll see over here, you'll be popped up with your affiliate link, your tracking domain, how much you're going to be earning, the data was added. And all you need to do is just click on your tracking domain. We want to go and make this as short as possible. So you don't want to use like one of these long links over here. I'm just going to do this one over here, ridefiles.net. I'm just going to keep this one. And this over here is your unique affiliate link to this landing page, where all they need to do is enter their name and email address to this PayPal giveaway competition, and you will go and get paid $2.05. Now that you've got your affiliate link, come over to clickbank.com. Also, go and sign up a free account if you haven't got one. Again, I'm going to log in with my account. Once you're signed in, your dashboard is going to look something like this. Now, I'm going to save us the time and just skip straight to the product that I already have laid out for this video. You're welcome to use the exact same product. If you come over to the search bar, search manifestation, and just go and click on the search bar over here, the product we're going to be using is Manifestation Gods over here. So we can go and click on promote. You'll see you'll get paid $42.28 per sale that you make, and $13 a month thereafter. So if you go and click on promote, click on create a hop link over here. You want to go and copy this hop link and save this, because this is your affiliate link that's going to generate your revenue from affiliate commissions. Copy your affiliate link, come over to this website called bio.fm, click on sign up completely for free. Once you've signed in, click on edit blocks, and we can go and edit all these links and buttons on our landing page. This is a tool that will allow you to add multiple offers and giveaways on your page at the same time, included with other affiliate links, opening up this entire strategy to various streams of income. And this is how it works. Once you've clicked on edit blocks, I'm just going to delete really what I've got here. Click on tap to add content. Click on links and websites. And as simple as this, you want to go and add your title by coming over to CPA Grip. And I'm going to go and copy the title of this offer, go and paste this over here. And for your URL, just go and copy your affiliate link and click on add more links. You now want to come over to clickbank.com, copy your affiliate link, paste your affiliate link in a new tab, which will take you to the actual landing page of this affiliate product. Now, simply, you want to go and copy some information from this website, such as this title over here. Just copy the entire title, come back to bio.fm, paste this title as the title of your entire page so that it looks like this, and then you've got as a subheading, grab a $750 PayPal gift card with your affiliate link to that. Scroll down further on your affiliate page, copy this other heading over here, come back to bio.fm, paste this as another heading, come back to ClickBank, copy your affiliate link and set that as your URL, and do the same thing again. Click on add more links. You can now go and copy this link over here, or this title, not a link, sorry, and come and paste this on bio.fm as another title. And again, copy your affiliate link and paste this over here under the URL section. When you're done, your landing page is going to look like this on a mobile device. Click on add one block and click on publish, and your entire page is now complete. And this public link over here has all of these affiliate links, not only to cpagrip.com, where you're going to get paid $2.05 for this PayPal giveaway, but also 2 links to your affiliate product, where you will get paid $42.28 every sale that you make. Now, the most important part, how do we actually make money from this? Very simple. I'm going to explain this in a very easy step-by-step process, so I really recommend that you follow this part with me. Come over to this website called growthbeast.io, and if you come over to just scroll down further down the page, you'll see over here the free plan is more than perfect for what you need for this. So click on free plan over here, or you can just go and click on available in Chrome Web Store. So if you go and click on Chrome Web Store over here, you can go and add this extension straight to your browser. Then once you've done that, come over to Instagram and you will see the Growth Beast IO logo on the top left over here. And if you click on this, it opens up a whole bunch of different tools that you can use for Instagram and automate various different features. So what you need to go and do is on Instagram, go and search up manifestation pages. So I'm just going to search manifestation, open up this page. We can also go and search up the hashtag, open up manifestation law, manifestation glow. I'm just going to open up maybe 3 or 4 of these. That should be enough. If you look at these pages, most of these pages are just posting quotes about manifestation, some videos giving affirmations and positivity about how you're entering the best chapter of your life, so embrace the lessons and enjoy the moment. So it's all really just full of positivity. We are able to target all the people that are following these pages. You'll see like posts like this are getting 400 likes, 800 likes, 200 likes, I think this one got 1,900 likes, 500 likes. This Growth Beast tool will allow our page to go and follow all the people that are liking these posts, meaning we are now following everyone that's following these pages that are interactive with these pages into manifestation content. And we kind of following them, making their manifestation dream come true by offering all of these offers over here, especially the PayPal gift card, which people can enter for free. By simply clicking on the Growth Beast IO tool over here, and by clicking on follow, you can go and follow all the people liking these posts on your page. And simply you DM or reach out to them. And you can do the same by liking their posts or commenting on their post, leaving a comment. But I recommend following them is the best option and actually reaching out to them. You can mention in your write-up, in your message to them, "Hi there, I saw that you follow Manifestation Positive page. I'm just reaching out to you to help you make those manifestations come true by giving you some of these offers over here, such as there's currently a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway happening right now, and you can just include your link in that DM. Alternatively, you can use another tool called postearly.app, which is a tool that will allow you to have accounts with automated posting, welcome DMs. So every time someone follows you or you follow them, you can send them a welcome DM automatically with a written up script that you've prepared, and it can do that on mass scale. You can have auto hashtag suggestions, auto reposting suggestions, scheduled posts up to a couple of months in advance. This is another great tool that you can use for Instagram to scale your manifestation affiliate links, like I've explained to you. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more specifically with CPM marketing, offering these free types of giveaways, scaling it up to the masses, and really getting hundreds of people every single day clicking on your giveaways so you can get that $2 over and over and over again from these CPA commissions. I'm going to leave an entire free course that I've posted on YouTube in one simple playlist for you guys that you can click on the screen over here. Honestly, this information I could go and sell in a $500 course easily, but I've decided to put all of this on YouTube completely free for you to watch. So what I recommend is, if you really want to scale at this, click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.